Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm with Mainline Meditation. I always thought that I had it figured out. I was doing therapy. I was doing kind of all the things that they tell you to be calm and relaxed and, you know, be good in kind of your life and everything. So I thought I had it all figured out. And then in November of 21, I kind of went through a rough patch and I joined meditation. I thought I was always drawn to people who were calm, people who thought before they spoke, didn't need, to fill the silence, who worked hard. I felt like I was rubbed the wrong way when people who were loud, who didn't seem like they knew kind of what they were doing, who kind of, ambled through life, who I viewed as lazy. So sitting with the topic of this week, me who likes this person and dislikes that person, specifically level 1 and level 2, throwing away the remembered thoughts and throwing away relationships was really uncomfortable for me, especially around this, that, realizing I had more of both within me than I initially, gave myself credit for, that I could be loud and boisterous. I could be, lazy is not quite the right word, but like relaxed, calm, sitting with where I am in life and, realizing that both of those existed at the same time, that, maybe the person who I thought I disliked had it figured out, that they knew more so like how to live life, that, it's not a bad thing to have both, that, you both can exist, that maybe if there's a person you dislike, that you're more like them than you initially give yourself credit for, or, that maybe they have it figured out, that there's something, good in what they're doing, or how they're living. And, sitting and being with that in meditation has definitely helped kind of me realize that both sides of the coin are not bad, that, living in the universe, living, where you can be calm, relaxed, but also motivated has been very helpful. So thank you for meditating.